following the instructions of the word against Juliet. Juliet was doing the opposite. Juliet will never mind what God is saying about her. And two of them were in the same school. Two of them were classmates. Two of them were friends. And remember, he said two of them were in the same church. Not church, under the same pastor. The time came. This other one, Julie, was, found great. Juliet was found cheating in an exam hall. And was being, sent away from school. Julie finally came out, a great personality in the society, and Juliet ended up in Mr. Madam Nobody in the society. I want to use just that and say to illustrate what the Bible talks about. The Bible discusses about a man that God, Lord, yet not him or not to him for the sake. You are calling on the name of the Lord, yet your heart is far from him. And Jesus said, why calleth you me, Lord, Lord? But wait not what I said. And the Bible went ahead to say, whosoever that cometh unto me, and heareth my sayings, I compare that man to a man that built his house on a solid foundation. First of all, I want to describe what foundation is all about. This foundation. Foundation could be said to mean maybe a structure by which the building is resting upon. Let me use that word like that. A structure by which the building is resting upon. So a house is as strong as the foundation is. You see some houses that they build it after a short time you see crack. It is from the foundation. When the foundation of the building is not solidified, then the building itself will not be solidified. There are a lot of us, just to be brave because of our time, that are suffering what we do not know. Some of us are because of our faulty foundations. Because of our faulty foundations. The foundation that our parents founded us upon, that we were born upon. Like I said, fine, two of my sisters are about to get married. One on the 29th of this month, August 2025. The other one on the 30th of this same August 2025. And I want to influence the list. All of them masquerade whatever they put in the list. I've cancelled all of them. And I'm ready to face the consequence. When we go to the village, I face the consequence. We will argue it out. I don't belong to the it. And I have nothing to do with the Ebila culture. I have nothing to do with the Delta culture. I'm talking about the culture that the foundation is not built in Christ. That I know that will affect my people negatively tomorrow. That I know that will affect me negatively tomorrow. What will I be on those cultures? And I cancel them. And after that, begin to my no. Please. I know you are not a church person like me. Now let's be on the same place. Let's be on the same place. We cannot collect these things. It doesn't mean anything to us. To God be the glory, God touched him. And he said,